Hey Tyler, we're going to make a video here setting up this carton for you. Sorry I missed this one. So Greg's with me. We're just going to go through the machine, probably make just two separate videos so it's not real long on just setting this machine up. Here's our standard Eagle T20CF, pretty much the same machine that you have. So if you can look here, we got the box. First step is going to be to insert the box down here at this end, and you're going to want to adjust the side pressure here by moving this in and moving it out. That way you get it tight. You'll want the carton to be snug. You don't want it to be loose, but you don't want it to be crushing it. So you just want it enough to where if you tried to pull it back a little bit, it gives you some resistance. You can still pull it out, but you want it to be pretty tight. So that will be the first step on the adjustment of the machine. The second one is you have a handle up here on the top of the machine that you would adjust for the top plate. So Greg here is going to adjust the top down so it sits completely flush with the carton. This way, as the machine's operating, it holds it down and in place so the carton can't tip up. So when you do the adjustment, you just want to make sure that this thing goes down and gets pretty much touching the top of it. We're going to make another video the next just few steps to help you out with this. Hey Tyler, alright, and here's the next steps on the machine. You want to make sure that this is the correct width. We have the adjustment arm here to make sure it's in place. Now you'll see here, there's an adjustment Greg's moving. We're just going to move this arm upward on this whole tray. So you're going to want to get this so it's pretty well snug. You'll see that it rests up against the flap right here. And then you want to adjust that out so it's on the outer edge of the carton. This is pretty key to make sure that the carton gets held in there before it comes in to grab it. You'll also see he's putting that centerpiece right here, right in the middle of the split, so it helps open the carton up as the suction cups come and grab it out. So once you do this, you can go ahead and load up some more cartons in the machine, and then we'll just walk through the step-by-step setup process, make the little final adjustments, and you're all set. Hey Tyler, we got it in step-by-step setup mode, so this will be your last steps to get the case erector running. We loaded the cartons up in the machine here, we got the top all adjusted, we got those other few parts done that we did just earlier. Now the last few parts, Greg's going to come in here and just slide over the suction cups to make sure that they're going to hit on the correct side of the carton. Line them up and just secure it in place. Pretty simple. Then we got two adjustments back here. You got your adjustment handle down here. That is going to slide that arm forward. That's going to bring this arm forward so it meets down with the center of the carton. He's just going to eye it up just to make sure everything's pretty well in line. Step by step, when you press that load carton, it's going to take the carton through its progression. So it's actually going to take it through each step at a time. At this point, Greg's going to then make the final adjustment. Carton. This adjustment handle here adjust the depth of the carton. So you want the suction cups to make sure it's lining up equally with the belt. Down here real quick. You'll want the carton to be dead center in the belt. You don't want it to be to the left or to the right. You want to make sure it's going to slide it right down the middle of those belts. Once you kind of have it adjusted, we'll just go through the next step. Now that it's pulled the carton in, the minor flap, Greg will press the next step again to pull the major. first carton taped. What I would do is then test 3 or 4 cartons, run them through, maybe make some little adjustments on the machine, and then go through and color code each adjustment marking, one in the back, one over there, one inside, and then mark it with one of the other colors that's not done. That way you know that the next time you set it up, it's easy and good to go. So that's just the first 3 cartons running through the test. All sealed up, all good to go. Watch these videos and let me know if you got any questions.